In the late 18th century, the U.S. stock market took its first breath. A bustling marketplace emerged, where the seeds of wealth creation were sowed, with the establishment of the New York Stock Exchange in 1792. This remarkable event set the stage for a transformative financial landscape, one that would forever change the face of global economics. Fast forward to 1896, and another significant milestone was etched into the annals of market history: the creation of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, an index that has become synonymous with the health of the economy itself. This revolutionary tool offered a snapshot of the market's performance, a pulse check on America's industrial might. The echoes of these historical beginnings still resonate today, serving as a compass for investors navigating the ever-shifting currents of the market. Every surge of a bull market, every dip of a bear, each shift in the tide carries with it the legacy of those early days. From these humble beginnings, the U.S. stock market was poised for remarkable growth and change. Fast forward to the 1920s, a decade that saw unprecedented growth known as the Roaring Twenties. This era was a time of great economic expansion and vast wealth creation. The nation was humming with optimism, and the stock market was a big part of that, mirroring the prosperity of the times. Imagine this: industries were growing, businesses were flourishing, and the stock market was booming. The average Joe was investing in stocks, often without understanding the risks. The promise of easy money was too alluring. Companies that had been worth just a few dollars a share were suddenly worth hundreds. This was a time when everyone wanted a piece of the stock market pie. But it wasn't all about quick riches. The Roaring Twenties also played a significant role in shaping future market trends. Lessons were learned, strategies were developed, and the very nature of investing evolved. This period taught us that the market, while offering tremendous opportunities for wealth creation, also carried risks. It underscored the importance of informed investing and long-term planning. The Roaring Twenties set the stage for the potential of the stock market, a potential that would be tested in the years to come. As we journey into the late 1990s, we encounter the dot-com boom, a period of extraordinary growth driven by the rise of the internet. This digital revolution was like a wave, sweeping across the world and transforming the way we live, work, and play. During this period, we saw the emergence of tech giants, companies that would go on to dominate the 21st century. Apple, a company that had been around since the 70s, started to make its mark with innovative products like the iMac. Microsoft, another veteran of the tech world, launched Windows 98, a product that would cement its place in the world of personal computing. Then there were the newcomers, companies that were born in the heat of the dot-com boom. Amazon started as an online bookstore and quickly expanded into a retail giant. It wasn't just selling books, it was selling the future of retail, and investors were buying. These tech companies weren't just reshaping their respective industries, they were reshaping the entire economy. Their stocks soared, creating vast amounts of wealth. Individual investors who had the foresight to invest in these companies during their early days saw their portfolios grow exponentially. But it wasn't just individual investors who benefited, the overall economy did too. These companies created jobs, spurred innovation, and drove economic growth. They paved the way for the digital economy that we live in today. Of course, this period wasn't without its challenges. The dot-com bubble eventually burst, leading to a significant market correction. But those who held on, those who believed in the transformative power of technology, were ultimately rewarded. The dot-com boom marked a new era of wealth creation, driven by innovation and technology. It was a time of extraordinary growth and change, a time when the future seemed limitless. And while the boom may have ended, the impact of this period continues to be felt today. The companies that rose during this time continue to dominate the tech world, and their influence extends far beyond the confines of Silicon Valley. They've changed the way we live, the way we work, and the way we invest. And in doing so, they've changed the world. Of course, with every golden age comes its challenges and risks. Let's picture this. The stock market can be akin to a vast ocean, filled with a diversity of life, teeming with currents and tides of opportunities. But, like any ocean, it also possesses its share of hidden dangers, undercurrents of risks that can pull the unsuspecting sailor into the depths of financial ruin. That's why it's crucial for investors to not only have a ship, but to know how to navigate it. This ship is your comprehensive investment strategy. It should be robust, flexible, and able to withstand the storms of market volatility. It should be equipped with a compass of clear financial goals and a map of your risk tolerance. Now, having a ship is one thing, but knowing the waters is another. That's where the long-term perspective comes in. The stock market is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's not about getting rich quickly, it's about growing wealth steadily over time. The ebb and flow of the market are natural, and understanding this can help investors weather the storms and ride the waves of prosperity. This is where understanding market history and potential becomes invaluable. Just as a sailor studies sea charts and weather patterns, an investor should study market trends and historical data. The Roaring Twenties, the dot-com boom, the exceptional performances of tech giants, they all paint a picture of what has been and what could be. They allow investors to spot patterns, to identify opportunities, and to foresee potential risks. And remember, every risk carries the seed of opportunity. The stock market crashes of the past have always been followed by periods of recovery and growth. By keeping a cool head and sticking to a well-planned strategy, investors can turn these temporary downturns into opportunities for buying stocks at discounted prices and increasing their wealth in the long run. By learning from the past, investors can better navigate the future, turning challenges into opportunities for wealth creation. So let's hoist the sails and set course for a prosperous future. As we stand in the present, we look back at these golden years and look forward to what the future holds. The current state of the U.S. stock market is a testament to the resilience and dynamism that has been demonstrated throughout its history. It stands tall, reflecting the robust performances of tech giants such as Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft that have reshaped entire industries. The market today is a complex interplay of myriad factors. It thrives on innovation and disruption, continually evolving to embrace new sectors and technologies. It's not just about Wall Street anymore. It's about Silicon Valley, the biotech industry, renewable energy, and so much more. The market's diversity is its strength, fueling its potential for future growth. Yet, as we chart the course for the future, we must not forget the lessons from the past. The stock market's history is a rich tapestry woven with threads of bull markets and bear markets, peaks and troughs. Studying these patterns, understanding these trends, is crucial in making informed investment decisions. It's about having a comprehensive investment strategy and a long-term perspective. The future of the stock market is exciting and promising. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, we can expect the market to reflect these changes. The rise of digital currencies, the potential of artificial intelligence, the promise of renewable energy. These are just some of the trends that could shape the market in the coming years. As we continue to unveil the golden years of the U.S. stock market, we stand ready to embrace the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead. The market is more than just numbers and charts. It's a story of progress, of innovation, of resilience. And as we look to the future, we are part of that story, ready to write the next exciting chapter.